And castor oil is something that penetrates deep into the body. I never advise taking castor oil by mouth because it can be quite irritating.
You have probably heard that belly fat is impossible to lose without extreme dieting or intense workouts. But what if I told you that's not true? According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, castor oil is a powerful natural remedy that can help to shrink your belly, detox your body, and improve digestion.
And castor oil is something that penetrates deep into the body. I never advise taking castor oil by mouth because it can be quite irritating. So I'm going to show you how to make a pack. So here is, I think we're familiar with them, they're blueies. Oh, this is a greenie, but it's an incontinence pad. So what we do is we get those and we cut them and we take off that top layer and we put several layers in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 layers of that oil sheeting in there. You see, the thicker the compress, the more castor oil it can hold, and the more castor oil that can go into your body. And what we do then is we tape the edges. And the reason we go to a bit of effort to do this, you can also stitch the corners because this is a compress, so it can be used again and again and again and again. And the beauty of it is it has a plastic backing on it, and you want that plastic to protect your clothing.
But how can you use castor oil to help flatten your belly? Number 1, castor oil belly massage. One of the easiest ways to use castor oil for belly fat is by massaging it directly onto your skin. To get the most out of this remedy, start by warming up a little castor oil. You don't need to heat it directly, just place the bottle in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes. Warming the oil helps it absorb better and allows it to penetrate deeper into your skin. Once the oil is warm, pour a small amount into your hands and begin massaging it onto your belly. Use gentle, circular motions, making sure to cover the entire area. Keep massaging for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you have extra time, you can extend the massage to 20 minutes for even better results. The longer you massage, the more you stimulate circulation, which helps in breaking down fat deposits and reducing bloating. Number 2, castor oil packs. Now, if you are looking for a natural way to detox and help trim down, castor oil packs might just be your new best friend. Here's how to do it. Start by soaking a soft cotton cloth in castor oil. Make sure it's evenly saturated but not dripping. Once it's ready, lay the cloth on your belly where you'll feel the most benefit. Now, place a hot water bottle or heating pad on top of the wrapped cloth. The heat helps the oil penetrate deeper into your skin, allowing your body to absorb its detoxifying properties. Relax and let the pack work its magic for 30 to 60 minutes. This simple practice not only helps your body release toxins, but also reduces bloating, which is key when aiming for a flatter belly. It can also aid digestion, making it a great addition to your routine if you are looking to feel lighter and more energized.
There's a whole lot of areas that you can use castor oil. I don't advise you take it by mouth. It can be a little irritating there. But topically, used externally, it can have quite a powerful effect.
Number 3, castor oil plus coffee scrub for skin tightening. The combination of castor oil and coffee grounds can work wonders for smoothing and firming the skin while targeting fat. To prepare, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Once mixed, gently massage it onto your belly in firm, circular motions for about 10 minutes. The massage helps stimulate circulation and encourages fat breakdown. After massaging, leave the mixture on for an additional 10 minutes before rinsing it off. The caffeine in the coffee is key here. It helps improve blood flow, break down fat, and even smooth the skin. For best results, incorporate this scrub into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. You'll notice smoother skin and possibly a more toned appearance over time. Number 4, castor oil detox drink. This method might be a bit more intense, but it's highly effective for cleansing your system, a castor oil detox drink. While strong in action, drinking castor oil can aid digestion and relieve bloating by acting as a natural laxative. To prepare the drink, mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with warm water or herbal tea. It's important to note that you should only drink this once a week at most, as castor oil can be quite strong on your digestive system. Always listen to your body, and remember, this is more of a cleansing method than a daily routine. Number 5. Castor oil plus ginger paste for fat burn. Ginger is known for its ability to fire up the metabolism, making it the perfect complement to the detoxifying effects of castor oil. To create this powerful mixture, combine 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice. Warm the mixture slightly and then apply it to your belly. Massage the oil into your skin for about 5 minutes. After massaging, cover your belly with a warm towel and relax for 30 minutes. The heat will help the mixture penetrate deeper into the skin, allowing the ginger's fat-burning properties to work more effectively. For the best results, aim to do this 3 to 4 times a week. This routine can help improve digestion and promote fat breakdown, giving your metabolism the boost it needs. Number 6. Castor oil plus aloe vera for skin firming. While castor oil is great for fat loss, when paired with aloe vera, it becomes a powerful duo for keeping your skin firm and hydrated.
Aloe vera has a growth stimulant in it. So aloe vera stimulates rapid new cells. So that's good news, isn't it? And aloe vera is a little bit slimy. We know it's a little bit slimy. So it's very good at coating, soothing and healing the lining of the gut.
Aloe vera also hydrates the skin and reduces inflammation, helping to keep the skin smooth and tight as you work on losing fat. Now, to make this skin-loving mixture, combine 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Once mixed, gently massage it into your belly for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the massage is done, leave the mixture on your belly for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Aloe vera is gentle on the skin and provides much-needed hydration, so it's a perfect option for daily use. Over time, this can help keep your skin firm and tight, even as you lose fat. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method you are excited to try first.